What is psycholinguistics and what does it study? Have you ever wondered how we understand language or how we learn to speak? This is where psycholinguistics comes into play. Psycholinguistics is the fascinating field that studies the connection between language and the mind. The term combines psycho, which refers to mental processes, and linguistics, the scientific study of language. Essentially, it means the psychology of language. This field investigates how we acquire, comprehend, produce, and utilize language. It looks into the mental and neurological processes that allow us to communicate. For instance, it examines how children learn to speak and how we understand sentences when we hear or read them. It also explores how our brains organize language skills. Psycholinguistics covers several important areas. First, there is language acquisition. This involves how both children and adults learn languages, including the stages and mental strategies they use. Next is language comprehension, which focuses on how we process and understand spoken, written, or sign language. This includes how context can influence meaning. Then we have language production. This area studies how we form and express our thoughts through speech, writing, or signing. It looks at word choice and sentence construction. Another key area is neurolinguistics, which examines the brain mechanisms behind language. It investigates how different regions of the brain contribute to our language abilities and how brain damage can impact these skills. To study these aspects, researchers use methods from psychology and linguistics. They conduct experiments on language processing, analyze speech errors, and utilize brain imaging techniques like magnetic resonance imaging. Additionally, they explore topics like bilingualism and language disorders to gain a better understanding of how language functions in the mind. In summary, psycholinguistics helps us grasp how the human mind learns and uses language. It reveals the mental steps involved in speaking, listening, reading, and writing. This field is part of advanced linguistic concepts because it connects language structure and usage with cognitive functions. It shows that language is not merely a set of rules but also a mental activity shaped by psychological and biological factors. So, the next time you think about language, remember the intricate relationship between our minds and the words we use.